Hey everybody, Alice KD21 here. I was using the old TT6000 to tear down the remains of this old shed I had here, and I started working and I thought, well, hey, I might as well get it on video, because you know, who doesn't like destruction? Especially that old shed I had here before. It's like a really piss poor bunch of stuff nailed together basically, and I want to kind of clear this area out, get a bunch of rocks and other various items, and make like a little crawling rock garden for the tractors here. Kind of a nice area for it. So I figured instead of just grabbing all this stuff by hand, I might as well tear it down with the Craftsman. That seems like more fun to me. Okay, let's go. You see I got that different exhaust on there. That muffler that goes under the running board here. It sounds pretty nice. It's kind of the same, but kind of cool. So yeah, let's just turn this down somewhere, I guess. Just kind of going in low range reverse here, and it seems to be working okay. I figure with the lack of traction, it might be spinning, but nope. We're gonna try and tear that piece out of there. Kind of back up and see if it works. So I could just put this up out of here. Next, I might as well try and grab a hold of this, and maybe I'll grab a hold of that pole right there, that post right there, that 2x4 I should say, and then just try and rip it that way, see if it all comes apart. Okay, I got it tied up there. I'll try and rip it all back, see what happens. Maybe we'll get some nice tire spinning action here, I'm not sure. It's might have to get a bit of a run up here. Hope we don't break anything. A little high range maybe. You know, that winch mount I made must be pretty solid, or else it'd be ripped off right now. Oh boy. Yeah, I'll pry at it with pry over there. Try and pry at it a bit. Okay, we got that. Try and grab onto this now and see if I can get that ripped out of there too. I'm trying to do this one hand, it's not working so well. That's back right here. Okay, I got it hooked up. I'm going low range again, see if I can just kind of slowly tug it out. Just that up there for a sec. I have to pry all that sheet metal off there though, I guess. There. I'm sure those boards will be good for something now. Come on. Oh. I'll try and all this sheet metal, obviously I can't exactly hook onto that with a winch. I'll just probably just kind of, not sure how loud that was in the camera, so apologize for that. That didn't work too bad, I guess. Let me try add some more here. Kind of broke now. I'll just give it a hit. Just one hand ain't working so good. Okay, I got that. Oh. Yeah, so it's just some, that was a shelf at one point, I'm pretty sure. Use that for something. Guess no sense trying to get that with the tractor or nothing. There. Try and hook onto that. Try and rip it out just cause. Might as well. Alright, one more time here with this last one. Let's hope it doesn't break loose and then come hit me in the head, because something tells me that would ruin the fun awfully quick. You get a little bit of a run up here maybe. Oh, I was still in the second gear. That one a bit too. I'm trying to pull them straight back, so that doesn't really work, obviously. That's probably where I go. Hey, little guy. Hey, everybody say hi, little Cap. Oh, he's camera shy. Oh, he's going to mama. There's all that. And we can try to get the hell out of there. Okay, I got the winch all wrapped up again, I guess. So there. So yeah, that's that new exhaust there. Just a different muffler I put on than I got. Had to weld it up. It had a big split right here. It was kind of held in with wire. I got it, but I didn't really trust that, so I figured I'd just weld it up and run it. This seems nice. I like it. I think maybe give me a little more room here if I ever do suspension, a little flex room, because this outlet you see right here, still not a lot of room there, but either way, so that looks kind of neat. I thought about putting a tip on it, but I don't know about that. Just something to extend it a bit, but I think it looks just fine the way it is. Sounds kind of neat too. So yeah, I guess I just gotta get all this stuff out of here by hand now, and I'll make my little rock garden thing. But yeah, just thought I'd maybe get some video of that kind of action. Just like I show you guys this thing at work. It seems to work pretty well. I never broke nothing when I was tugging on that pretty hard. I would Thought the first thing to go was that winch mount and rip it right off of there, if anything, but I figured it was fairly strong, but that'd be the first thing to break with my luck. So yeah. All right. Well, guess that could have been a little more exciting, but it was still kind of cool to watch. So, well, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.